your tummy. Your immenseness.
Don't say anything stupid, would you?
It's 8:45 and these guys are still asleep. Uh-oh. Guess who was here last night?
Santa.
You think so?
Santa.
Uh-oh. Rose is awake.
Hi, Kelly.
Kelly's been awake for an hour.
Hello, Grandma and Pop.
Got rats in the house. All right. Come on.
See what Santa Claus got you.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh
What do I
boy.
do? It's much more than last year. Oh. Kelly. Hi, Kelly. What is this? Look. 842. Two of them. Go on, hold on one. What's their names?
Well, that's up to you to name.
Mine?
Rosie, wait a second.
You know how to work that door right away, huh?
Can I name,
Well, one is yours and one is Rosie's.
I want to name mine. Mine's the light brown one, and I'm naming it Jamie.
Jamie.
Mine is Jamie.
Jamie.
Amy. Amy.
Amy and Jamie.
There she goes.
Both hands on the wheel.
No, it's okay, Dad.
What is that, Kelly?
Oh, cool.
Kelly, what is it?
Thank you, whoever gave this to me.
Santa Claus. Look at, he came with his, he ate his cookies and his milk. You see that?
Mine's the light brown one, Rosie. Yours is dark black, and mine's that one. Can I start out with a present? I'm talking.
Okay, just a second. Have a sit, girls.
Daddy, this is cool. These two things run around so they can answer my question.
Wow, 101 Dalmatians.
Daddy, I got one too.
Oh, thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa.
Some Barbie stuff.
Barbie
Cool.
stuff.
Uh-oh. Her life
One
is
more.
complete.
Wow.
Don't just dump stuff on the floor.
See, I don't have room to store this in.
Wow.
Good. Find a spot to be yours and put all your stuff in it, okay?
This is my spot. I have the real one. Where did I put it? Oh, right here. Look. Got a sponge. After this, put everything in. Mommy. Kelly, no, let's open presents.
Hey, she's okay. She's just having fun. The best way she knows how. Kelly Morgan.
Not gonna shut up. Woo, more presents.
You're going to have to put your bottle down, Squirt. You can't drink and drive. I made that up.
Kelly, baby sister of Barbie. No wonder it was the biggest present.
Rosie's working on the present your sister gave her.
Okay. You gonna open that,
No, that's from
Miss
Taylor.
Cal? No, I'm in no rush.
Oh, that's from Taylor?
Yeah.
Okay.
I need the scissors.
Open it.
Don't be running around with scissors, Rose.
No.
Honey, bring it to me. I'll help you. Oh.
Cool, Mommy. A fold-out nursery, they said.
Neat.
It said on the bottom. What's the chica? We don't know yet.
Oop.
Oh. Oh, Tweety. Something for teacher, I bet.
Oh, wow.
What's in
Look. Looney Tunes books.
Oh my, she has to take that on the trip. She is going to take that. Can I find one?
Wait a sec. You find one, don't open it.
Here's a teeny weeny
Is that
one.
neat, smelly?
This is from Santa. This is from Santa.
Mommy's gonna put them in here.
I spy something. I spy Fun Home.
Kitty.
Rose, come here. I know what that is. It's a book that you read things and then you try to find them. Bring it to me. I Spy Fun House. What is this?
Just a second.
I Spy Christmas. The same book as my teacher.
Is that neat?
Daddy, my Mrs. Ward has this.
Is she? All right, what do you got?
I Spy.
Here's the one that
Mom.
was 12 months.
Oh,
Rose.
where'd you get that one?
Mom, look.
That you're gonna fall over.
You know what that is?
What?
Oh, ABS.
Show us your backpack, Rose.
Can you thank Grandma and Grandpa Mills for that?
Thank you, Grandpapa. This is from me to you, Rosie. And we tried to find chocolate Bubba. Yeah. We couldn't find Talking Bubba, but we thought you would like Talking Wishbone as well. Yeah! Talking Wishbone!
Should we get him out of the case?
Dad, okay, do you want to touch his tail?
Don't go there. Oh, believe that's a cute little dog. Feed the dog.
Here, let me take it out of the box for you.
Rose, where are you going? Got your camera and your hat and your backpack. You guys are a couple of weirdos.
My shirt on. I need my shirt on.
Well,
What does
the
this say? Let's say my name.
Thomas.
What does this say, Tom? Oh, this is a heavy one. My name.
I think it's
I wonder if it has a brick in
I
it.
think it's Jennifer's.
Big lump of coal.
Pass it down.
Whose is it?
I think it's
Jennifer.
Jennifer's. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Mom,
What is it, Rosie?
a Barbie cup.
Please.
This is for you.
Hey, it's Tickle Me Steve.
What is it?
It's the complete tales of Winnie the Pooh.
Oh,
Can't beat that, can you?
sure.
She came home.
The gifts don't get any better.
Storage.
No.
I found this book. It's so cool. It's the complete works of Winnie the Pooh, but I decided we better not get it. I'm like, oh, that sounds really boring. I don't think you want it anyway. And then Mom had it already for her.
That's cool. Thank you. That was so
The other
awesome.
day, Lynn
That was
came
your
home with the nicest looking book.
The nice thing
I
about it is
looked
it
at
is
it and it
complete.
was
There
nice.
won't be any more.
Make
sure you check the type before you ask me.
It's Kelly, so I'll just put it on top of Mom. And that's all.
I was playing it out.
That is cool.
Oh. Dad.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, phone.
Oh, thank you.
Wishbone.
Yes!
Avery.
Can I break
You through okay?
Which one is it, Rose?
Let's see if you can open it.
Susie, open yours. Oh.
me? Open mine. Why don't we let Katie open hers?
Thanks, Rose.
We all know what Katie did.
You took too long. The on button.
It's got a dense meter on it. I figure they're not going to waste battery power.
Would you just shut up? I don't want to hear you talking. You shut up too.
I'm just laughing.
Yeah, I know. Ow, don't.
Oh, she hits me, but I can't do that.
That hurts.
Oh, and Henry doesn't.
No.
I don't know. I mean, listen.
It's called the double standard,
Shut.
Boyd.
Enough.
4.
There's 3. It's the same word.
Okay. It's the same word as before, and you still haven't guessed it?
It's mixed. Why didn't you say
No reason.
I gotta go again. Look, I got points.
Those are all me and Mike, though.
Yeah,
Don't be too special.
Whoa, does that look big and white and clean and neat? It's beautiful. Woo-hoo!
Say hi, Avie. Over there by your sister, Rose. Where's Mommy? Mommy's over changing Smelly Kelly's diaper. What? Oh, that looks real. All right. Rose. What else is there? All right. What sound does Loon Rover make?
Sonic booms just heard at the Kennedy Space Center.
Hey, you two.
What are we gonna sell, Daddy? In 5
You
minutes.
don't have to scream. Hey, Lisa. I want my mother to note, if she ever sees this, that that bulkhead is Kelly proof. Well,
Kelly, there's one more over there. Kelly.
watch your sister. Make sure she doesn't go over the edge.
Besides, it's so big, I can't.
Look at there's your mommy. Wave to mommy. I can spin my pinky. Watch.
Hey, Kelly. Is it snowing?
And Daddy, can we go to the corner of the ship?
We'll go all over.
We're going out over.
Hey. Head chips.
Sleepyhead Eve. I'm sorry. Where you going, Kelly? Where you going? What's wrong? Did you untie your shoe again? No.
Davey, Rosie, Kelly. Look who's here to tuck you in. It's Tweety. Give Tweety Bird a big hug. Oh, give Tweety a hug.
How about it, Kel? Oh, don't cry. He's okay with your sisters. Is Tweety a boy or a girl? A boy.
Boy.
Okay, gotcha. It's hard to tell on a bird, you know.
Give Tweety a big hug, girls.
All right, everybody in bed.
Hang on a second.
Oh, wait, got to take a picture. I'm sorry.
Let them run the program the way they run it.
Go
Avery,
give Tweety a hug.
come over here.
I already did.
Okay.
All right, you got to get a picture,
And
though.
with Tweety.
Hey,
That's
hold
it.
Kelly, Avery.
Okay.
Oh, this is going to make a good picture. Yeah.
Okay, stand there.
Come on, do you want
Tweety Bird tortures our child.
and stand in the picture as well?
Come here, my love. I will hold you, and I'm going to sit right down
Tweety
there.
loves you.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
That's a nice picture, yes.
Okay, that's
Let
good.
me get out of the picture.
Okay, big smile.
Kelly! There you go.
No flash, hang on.
That's passable.
Big smile. Okay.
All right.
Now close your eyes, girls.
Close your eyes.
Tweety Bud.
She got past the tired point at 2 hours ago.
Look, Tweety's brought you a present. Oh, little Tweety Bud.
Look at that. I don't want it.
There. Want to give Tweety a kiss?
Melty, close your eyes.
Stepping back with Tweety.
That's nice.
Put it this way. Big smile.
There we go. Who's next, Rose, huh? Rosie, are you asleep already?
Rosie. Tweety's brought you a home, little Tweety Bud. Pillowcase.
No, I'm not leaving you.
Sit up with Tweety. Sit up in bed for me. That's it. Now look this way. Big smile. Okay, wave at Daddy.
Thank you, guys.
And now lie down. Let Tweety tuck you into. Say goodnight to Tweety Bud. Give him a kiss. Good night.
Good night. Thank you, Tweets. See you. Tweets. No, it's not our room, honey. Say hello, Abe. Hello. Is it too windy out here for you? What?
Rosie. Rose. Rose. What? Put your hand. Don't put your hand on.
Stop to use this. Go up and down the stairs. Please use the handrail that I provided.
Breakdown. One will always be quickly. That's why you have to vote. That's why you have to vote. One gun.
Yeah, I can't turn around enough. Bubba 2. That's, I don't know. Didn't get there by selling poly bags, I know that.
I love you.
What was that?
I love you, Dad.
I wouldn't trade that for one of those houses over there. You know that? I wouldn't. That noise you hear is what we've heard this whole trip.